slotted flap. Slotted flap का जो somehow जो shape है, that looks like this. There is slotted and multiple slotted. It produces good amount of lift definitely because इनका काम ही है lift produce करना, but it also produces lesser amount of drag. It is also known as flap of. It is also known as flap of least. It is also known as flap of least drag. Now the last one and the very interesting one, that is Fowler flap. Now let me show you guys how does this Fowler flap look. Fowler flap is like this. पहले तो it looks little similar to the split flap, but there is a very interesting thing regarding this. It looks कहीं ना कहीं like this, but होता क्या है इसमें? इसका जो flap settings है, it moves back and then downwards, जिसकी वजह से केम्बर के साथ साथ इंक्रीजिंग द केम्बर इसका एरिया भी इंक्रीज होता है. सो लेटर इफ आई लुक इनटू दिस, इट विल लुक लाइक दिस. It looks like this. Now I want you guys to think about it कि कौन कौन से ऐसे एयरक्राफ्ट है जिनमें हमारा फाउलर फ्लैप यूजुअली यूज होता है. सो if I have to write about this, it produces, it can also be termed as flap of highest lift. And there is a disadvantage of this. It's a little more complex as compared to the other flap settings that are used. This is a little more complex and it is actually beneficial than the other ones. But iski movement kya hai? That is what you guys need to remember. It moves back and then downwards. So that's all about the flaps. These are the four main types of trailing edge flaps. There is one more apart from the slotted, that is multiple slotted. There are multiple slots, multiple spacings. Slotted or split का अगर हम difference देखेंगे, split में there is no spacing in between. But जो मेरा slotted है, slotted में there is spacing in between, जिसकी वजह से the airflow energizes the later area of the aerofoil, जिसकी वजह से it is producing good amount of lift with the least amount of drag. So that's all about the trailing edge flaps. Now I want you guys to guess the leading edge flaps that are usually used inside the aircrafts. And what is the use of leading edge flaps if I already have the trailing edge flaps?